Back in 2013, I was struggling to grow my business. I know I had a great product, but I didn't sell much. I was great at creating products, but I sucked at selling them. I tried many things that were booming at the time. Nothing seemed to work. Finally, this one strategy helped me tons of customers, increase sales, and establish my business. It did not stop there. I shared this idea with my friends and it worked like a charm. He agreed it was time to share it to the world. These are case studies of some of the customers who are getting some amazing results. You start with one promotion, just one promotion, and it can do all the magic for you. All you need to do is engage with your customers. In a moment, let me tell you exactly what it is. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Mani Maran. I'm a serial entrepreneur who helped over 90,000 brands to get more customers, increase revenue, and establish their brands on social media. I worked in IT for over 20 years and was very successful. I had a deep desire to become an entrepreneur. During my journey, I lost a lot of money and I could not survive in the business world. I went back to corporate career again. According to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, 20% of new businesses fail during the first 2 years. Online businesses fail even more. What is the common thread for failure? Most often it is the cost of getting new customers. I had this burning desire to not only solve my problems, but wanted to help other entrepreneurs too. So besides working a day job, I worked on a solution. It was a lot of hard work. I hired a team of software consultants to develop my ideas. We tried many things. We tried different products, different solutions on different platforms. Our main objective was to get customers at an affordable cost. After a lot of trial and error, we found that one thing. This is how Tweetful was born. During the 7 years in the business, we helped over 90,000 businesses, including a couple of our own businesses, to grow and establish their brand. This has been the most fulfilling result of my journey. We take pride in helping our customers succeed. If you're watching this, you are probably just like me, someone who is passionate to grow your business, loves to get more customers and improve your revenue. But without action, nothing will happen. That is why you need to pay attention to what I'm about to tell you next. Here is how Tweetful will help you to get new customers. The system is simple. You can set up everything in less than an hour. Just add your Twitter account and set it up. You have created videos that explain exactly how to do it. And today you have a chance to get that one thing. It's our solo plan that allows you to get hundreds of customers in a short period. You can also establish your brand and increase your revenue almost instantly. For a limited time, we are offering 40% off our most popular solo annual plan that is sold for $25 per month. You will get it today for $15 a month. That is almost 5 months free if you pay monthly. This is a Christmas special offer, so click the buy button on this page to get our special sale today until the timer expires on this page. Not only will you get 40% off of our annual subscription, you'll also get some amazing bonuses. Bonus number 1, Twitter Growth Playbook. This ebook will be your master guide to grow your brand. Bonus number 2, grab free followers on Twitter. This is a quick guide to get free followers on Twitter by yourself. Bonus number 3, your journey of Twitter. You don't have to guess which features work best for your brand on Twitter. This guide explains the last 1 year journey of Twitter. Bonus number 4, Twitter with Tweetful. Leverage the full power of Tweetful with this handbook. Bonus number 5, Twitter engagement tips. Engaging with your customers is essential for your social media growth. This guide shares some great tips on that. Bonus number 6, top 7 Twitter growth hacks. If you want to learn and implement some great ideas on your own, this cheat sheet will help you to do that. Bonus number 7, RSS to auto tweet. Say goodbye to sleepless nights trying to think about content. You can point your favorite blog and we will create tweets on your behalf. Bonus number 8, your own dedicated success manager. You now have a partner, they'll be your They'll be with you every step of the way so you can achieve outstanding success on Twitter. Oh, one more thing. I want to talk to entrepreneurs who have tried everything and still feeling stuck. The entrepreneurs who spent years learning how to get new customers. I know exactly how you feel. I was so desperate I bought a lot of marketing courses and attended every webinar, just hoping I would get lucky. I want you to know that I got your back. For most people, we get customers within a few hours. But I don't want you to feel rushed. Try it out for 14 days, and if you don't see significant growth, let us know. We will refund you every penny. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to Twitter today. Watch your brand reach outstanding success on autopilot.